HAL. I just want to get a quick view, Kunal, from you on HAL, if you have one, because look at the kind of buzz that we are seeing on HAL, and this is essentially media reports that have come in on a big focus for it. They have won a bid to make India's small satellite launch rockets privately. It will be the first Indian company to receive the complete technology to build a rocket from ISRO. They expected to build the first two SSLVs with ISRO's assistance, and the order value is expected to be 500 crores. So admittedly, in the size of order values that you see in the space, 500 crores, not a small amount, but not the largest either, and it's a new technology. But on the charts, how are you liking HAL, Kunal?
On the charts, you can see that the stock in the last 10 to 15 trading sessions have been consolidating in a very narrow range. Overall buying interest is visible from the lower levels. So if anybody is holding already long, keep a stop loss of 4,800 on the downside. If that is taken out, then exit long. Even if you want to have fresh entry, one can enter at the current levels. Again, keeping a stop loss of 4,800 on the downside. One can look for targets of 5,100 to 5,300 on the higher end.
Okay. Well, 1.48% higher, and defense is strong, as a lot of people have told us too. Vari is okay. There's some news flashes. I think the defense minister from Israel must be saying this, that the strikes on nuclear facilities and scientists must continue. I presume from the nature of the flash, that may not be clear. But okay, we've now heard some 2 or 3 news prints that are floating around, which are talking about how for now this may continue from both sides, so keep that in mind. But Vari Energies is rock solid today, independent of everything happening, up about 9% in trade. Okay, is there a trade here, Kunal? Let's just first get that out of the way.
See, for Vari Engineering, definitely there seems to be a bull case out here. The stock, the move has been very strong, and the stock has taken out the 20 DMA. So we can expect this move to continue towards the mark of 3,200 to 3,300 on the higher end.
Dheeraj Diwan, are you a buyer into Vari or any of these other energy transition names?
Actually, Vari not after the run-up today, but definitely when it had corrected to the level 25, 2600, that looked like a decent buy, because I think looking at the growth, that potential that they have, and the kind of growth they've already been showing, and the capacity that they have, I think the stock has more legs from here. But then it's already run up today, so there's no point chasing it. You should look at opportunities whenever you get, when you get some correction in these stocks.
Okay. All right. I wonder, Kunal, what do you make of the move on the index? Of course, 12% up on Vari, also a serious move. But the index is up now, what, 1.3% odd? We're at or very close to the day's high.
I think definitely what we spoke on the start of the show, that we expect the index to go towards 25,500, 25,700 levels on the upside. So that is the short-term target for the indices. Now 24,800 will act as a very strong support on the downside. And for the Bank Nifty index, we are expecting 57,000 on the higher end. 55,800 will now act as a very strong support. So for both the indices, the view remains bullish. For Nifty, 25,500, the first target is what we are expecting, and for Bank Nifty, first will be 56,500, and post that, if it sustains above that, then we can see 57,000 on the higher end.